Hey guys, I'm back with another video today. Today I'm going to be filming a video because I just solved my Rubik's Cube. Now it took me a long time to do it, but I solved it. So here it is. I know I'm looking at the floor right now. Here it is. The green side, the yellow side, the orange side, the white side, and the red side. And that's actually the blue side. I can't see in the lighting. Right there. So there's no jokes, there's no death counters, there's no blah 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 about this. It's all solved and fixed. Oops, it's accidentally turned over. I'm trying to look through this camera. I'm not gonna scramble it in there because this is my first time solving the Rubik's Cube. And it's awesome. Now this is really cool because I just finished it. Sorry everyone for that. And I'm gonna bring it to school tomorrow and see everyone. I'm not gonna let anyone scramble it. If they do, I will kill them probably. Because why would I kill someone? I'll react them. Sorry. Now, please like, subscribe, and comment. And yes, I look tired and I look terrible because I'm sleepy. Of me solving that. Oh, sorry. Of me solving that Rubik's Cube. Bye. See you later. Please like, subscribe, and comment on all my videos that I have right now. Press that like button. Press that right now. Press it. Press it. Press it. Press it. Press it. Bye. Bye. See you later.